Hi, what up, y'all? So, just a quick video. You wrapping the Lexus. This is about how much vinyl you need to wrap the car. Now, I misjudged the cut on the when I did the quarter panel, like the full side of the car, which made me have to use some extra vinyl to recut some vinyl for the front doors. So, technically, I probably could have got away with 60 feet, maybe about 55 feet, actually. I probably could have got it done with about 55 feet with no errors if I would have redid a cut, maybe like 5 or 6 inches extra on the cut. But I messed that up, so I had to cut a new section for the doors. But roughly, this used up about 65 feet of vinyl. I ordered a full 75-foot roll, so just in case. So had plenty of vinyl. All the little gaps that you don't see, well, that you see between the yellow blocks, all of those gaps are what I used for the antenna, the door handles, the mirrors, and whatever little inlays I had to do. So 65 feet is about what it was. I ordered a full 75-foot roll just to be safe. But if you're good with your cuts, you can order your 65-foot roll and do it better and be done.